Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Netflix offline. In order to watch Netflix offline, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you have to do is open a Netflix application on your supported device. Then you need to browse the content or movies or TV show that you want to watch or that you want to download. Next, you want to look for a downloaded icon that is often a downward pointing arrow next to a movie or an episode title and tap it to begin the download section. Then, a progress bar will show you the status of the download, and once it's downloaded, you could find all your saved content in the downloads tab or section of the app, typically found in the bottom navigation bar as well on your mobile device or under the menu on a PC. And likewise, you could also download that's stored on your device, and you could use to download them. You must remain signed into your Netflix account to access your downloaded content offline, and this way you'll be able to use Netflix offline. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.